Measurement of the liquid level, liquid flow, gas, steam or liquid pressure are a necessary measurement in power plants, water industry, oil and gas industry and others. Special measuring equipment is used for this. Today we are visiting the plant of Aplisens company, which is one of the leading European manufacturers of high-quality process instrumentation. Our products are developed by our own design department. We produce all of our components. We test them, assemble final products, provide temperature compensation. Production technology is also developed in our own design department. Today we are going to look at the production of smart pressure transmitters, in which a piezo-resistive pressure sensor is a measuring element. Works on a transmitter begin with the production of process connections for pressure sensor. It is a part of a device which has a direct contact with medium. The function of the sensor is to convert pressure into an electrical signal. Stainless steel or Hastelloy C are materials from which parts are produced. Bars of steel are cut into smaller elements and machined in CNC machining center. Such a center is one of the most modern machines of this type in the world. It provides precision of machining to 1/100th of a millimeter. An electrical discharge machine drills holes in a pressure sensor body. Then parts are cleaned in ultrasonic cleaner. All parts that were produced on CNC machines are subject to technical control. Among other things, measurement of parts on a contour measuring station is made. It is time for assembly. A pressure sensor die, which is the key element of the whole device, is assembled to the sensor body. Pressure sensor die is the element which converts pressure into an electrical signal. Piezo-resistive pressure sensor converts pressure into the electrical signal. Pressure diffracts membrane of pressure sensor, and under the influence, this diffraction of the electrical signal in pressure sensor die is changing. Bonding wires which draw the electrical signal from the pressure sensor die to external leads have only 20 microns in diameter, so that is why their assembly is made automatically. Then activities take place that are connected with assembly of the pressure sensor, among other things laser welding. Piezo-resistive pressure sensor die is protected against influence of measured medium, that is gas, steam or liquid, by stainless steel or Hastelloy C diaphragm, which is welded to the sensor body. The direct contact of the pressure sensor die with measured medium would destroy this element. The body of sensor is filled with manometric liquid for the transfer of the pressure from the diaphragm to the pressure sensor die. At the same time, an electronical part of the transmitter is being prepared. The electronical part is the heart of the whole system. It is responsible for converting the electronical signal from the pressure sensor to the analog or digital signals using in automation systems. Electronical elements are assembled on a printed circuit board by SMD pick-and-place machines. Then the circuit board is closely compared with the master board. The correct operation of the circuit board is also checked. Assembly of electronics in the body of the device is the next stage. It is time for calibrating the transmitter. Calibration is based on applying pressure by high-quality pressure calibrator and checking if the transmitter works correctly and measures pressure with required accuracy. Smart pressure transmitters can work in really extreme conditions. To be sure pressure transmitters will measure pressure in such conditions with high accuracy, all transmitters are tested in environmental chambers. They are tested in various temperatures at applied various pressure values. Engineers from R&D department systematically develop new products to better satisfy customer requirements. Transmitters of Aplisens are applied in almost every industry and reached about 100 countries in the whole world.